Hello everyone. I want to thank you, Cynthia, for your open invite. I want to also thank you for supporting my channel. Now let me tell everyone about this amazing lady. She does awesome tablescapes, DIYs, roll calls, grocery hauls, and a host of many other things. She is also a part of a group called Dynasty Divas, and these lovely ladies are her co-hosts. She has Tammy at Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Geraldine over at Diva Decorating, Lynn at Lynn's Lifestyle Living, and Alberta at Mysterious Alberta. Geraldine over. Cynthia wants to know how much we spent. I spent a total of $8.50. Here are more products I use from the Dollar Tree. I hope everyone enjoys my fun farmhouse tablescape.